In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a discount link with Postscript on Shopify. We're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end, you'll have everything set up to create discount links effectively. This tool is particularly useful for e-commerce businesses looking to boost customer engagement and sales through personalized discount codes. Let's get started. First, you need to open your preferred web browser. Once you're there, type Postscript into the search bar. Postscript is a popular tool among Shopify users for crafting SMS marketing messages and managing customer interactions. It should be one of the top search results you see. Click on the link to take you to the Postscript homepage. Once you've reached the Postscript site, it's time to log into your account. You can do this using your email and password, or, if you prefer, you can log in directly through your linked Shopify website. The integration between Postscript and Shopify makes it easy to seamlessly transition between platforms and manage everything from one place. After successfully logging in, navigate to the message editor. This is where you'll create or adjust the messages for either your automations or keyword replies. As you explore the options, you'll see various tools and settings at your disposal, allowing you to customize messages to suit your marketing strategy and customer needs. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're new to using this tool. In the message editor, direct your attention to the bottom right corner. Here you'll find an icon that looks like a percentage sign, the percent symbol. Clicking on this icon is your next step. This will initiate the process of embedding a discount link within your message. It's a nifty little feature that integrates directly with your Shopify store, so you don't need to create codes manually. Once you click on the percent icon, you can go ahead and click Save. This saves the discount link in the message, which Postscript will then use to automatically create unique coupon codes within your Shopify admin. It's a seamless process where the technical steps are largely handled in the background, giving you more time to focus on crafting effective marketing messages. Finally, when your customer receives and interacts with this message, the embedded link is auto-applied when they click on it. The beauty of this feature is its simplicity and efficiency. Once the link is clicked, the discount is applied without any extra steps from the customer. This provides a user-friendly experience that can enhance customer satisfaction and potentially increase sales. With these steps, you've successfully created a discount link using Postscript on Shopify. Remember to always double-check your messages and test the links to ensure everything flows smoothly for your customers. Happy marketing!